This is Kawish Court House, a stunning residence designed by O2 Architecture, located in Palm Desert, United States. Spanning 7,500 square feet, this modern desert home blends seamlessly with its natural surroundings. Designed with intimate courtyards, the house maximizes natural light, ventilation, and thermal comfort. The layout divides living spaces into functional branches, ensuring privacy while maintaining openness. The living room features a seamless indoor-outdoor connection with floor-to-ceiling glass walls, maximizing natural light and mountain views. The open-plan layout, wood-paneled ceiling, and neutral-toned furnishings create a warm, modern aesthetic. Minimalist lighting and contemporary furniture enhance the space's sophistication, blending luxury with organic materials harmoniously. The kitchen features an expansive island with a sleek stone countertop, wood-paneled cabinetry, and a suspended stainless steel range hood, blending modern minimalism with warm, organic materials. The dining area showcases a seamless indoor-outdoor connection through expansive sliding glass doors framed in black steel. A warm wooden ceiling contrasts with cool stone flooring, enhancing the open concept design. Minimalist furniture complements the modern aesthetic, while strategic lighting and natural elements create a harmonious blend of luxury and tranquility. This indoor garden integrates biophilic design with floor-to-ceiling glass panels, maximizing natural light and seamless outdoor connectivity. Minimalist stone flooring enhances spatial fluidity and organic harmony. This modern bedroom features a seamless indoor-outdoor connection with floor-to-ceiling glass doors, a wood-clad ceiling, neutral tones, and curated lighting for warmth and sophistication. This bathroom showcases a floating vanity, floor-to-ceiling glass panels, sleek dark tiles, and warm wood tones, creating a harmonious blend of modern elegance and natural elements. For more views of the house and its floor plan, check out the following images.